Welcome back to Steve Smallingen Saloon.
Hey everybody, this is the last day of 2022. Tomorrow we're moving into 2023. We have a lot of thank yous to say to people out there for the last year. First of all, obviously subscribers. I mean, thank you so much. If it wasn't for you subscribers, there would be no Steve Smallingen Saloon YouTube channel.
Absolutely.
And not only that, but the subscribers, there's a lot of people who view our videos, a lot more viewers who aren't subscribers. So thank you to all of you for even watching our videos. Also on the viewers note, viewers who have sent us gifts, like this is crazy to me. This is so awesome. On our website, stevesmallingersaloon.com, there, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, there's a mailing address there. And I can't believe a lot of people are actually seeing that. And they send gifts to us, like little knickknacks, empty beer cans and stuff for us to put up on the back shelf. You know, stuff like that. How cool is that for me when I go to the post office and I get a package from somebody that's completely unexpected? Our moderators, when we do lives, you know who you are. I'm not going to mention anybody's names here because if I miss somebody's name, then I'm in trouble, right?
Yeah, but I need you guys more than anything because I'm a terrible moderator. But thank you guys so much for backing me up because I suck.
Yep.
But you guys are awesome.
Yeah, you are. You guys know what you're doing, and you know who you are. Okay, so, and also creators out there over the last year in 2022, there's other YouTube creators out there who have mentioned us, gave us shout outs, plugged us on their videos. That's awesome when you guys do that, and thank you so much for doing that too. And also the creators who have done collaborations with us. If you've been watching for the last year, you know who they are and they know who they are. Thanks for doing the collaborations with me. That is fun. This is a big one for me right here. I'm going to mention him by name. Dave Friesen. Now, a lot of you don't know this, but I don't have every piece of equipment in my shop. I don't have everything. If I want to do a video on something and I don't have that piece of equipment in the shop, I go down to our local rental company. It's called Friesen Rentals and Hardware. It's right here in Cedar, British Columbia, right outside Nanaimo. And I say, hey, Dave, do you mind if I take this piece of equipment? I want to do a quick video on it. And every time he says, do it, done. Doesn't charge me rent on it, free. And that means a lot because if it wasn't for Dave Friesen, honestly, I wouldn't be able, there were many videos that I wouldn't have been able to do. That is it for my list. What did I miss?
Well,
hit me with it.
I have some behind the scenes stuff because as you know, I do most of the administration and some YouTube behind the scenes stuff. I do want to say a special thank you to our YouTube partner managers. They've been very helpful giving us tips and stuff on YouTube. YouTube is a very difficult thing to navigate. We've been doing it for several years and we're still trying to find our way. I also want to say a special thank you to all our followers on social media, you know, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and we're now doing TikTok. Believe it or not. I want to say thank you to everybody that's purchased merchandise from us. You know, the hats, the t-shirts, and stuff like that.
That is a big one. It's kind of staggering to me that we've sold so much of that merch. We have links in our description of our videos and also on our website where people are buying. Like, there's a lot of people out there that are actually walking around with Steve Smallingen Saloon hats and hoodies and t-shirts. That's just kind of freaky for me because it's very flattering. So yeah, absolutely. Thanks for that.
And I want to say a special thank you for everybody that sends us donations through PayPal, and we even get the odd check in the mail. It's hilarious.
Yeah.
You know, that's fantastic. And the super thanks now. We appreciate everything. It's very hard and time consuming and costly to make these videos, and we appreciate everything. Yeah. We really do. It's been fantastic.
Yeah, it really has. The super thanks you just mentioned on our videos, and also when we go live, There's the super chats there too. We get a lot of super chats, and that is the same thing. It's like a donation, and we use that money to buy more things. Like we just bought a selfie stick that we're still playing with. That's what that goes for.
Yet,
but that's what that goes for. When you donate something or do something like that, that money goes back into getting something, a new camera or a tripod or lights or whatever, to get it back to you somehow to make our videos better. So that's cool that you guys do that. That's awesome. Thanks. Well, I think we've covered everybody. I guarantee you we missed something on this, but we can't please everybody as usual.
But most important, we want to thank the viewers. You guys are the best. Without you, we could not do this. Well, he couldn't do this. I don't do much.
So in other words, we're wrapping this up now. And
we're getting ready to celebrate New Year's. I know lots of you have already had your New Year's because around the world it's ticking on.
Yeah.
Got our disco ball for tonight. Got my wine. See, it's even in a beer glass.
She doesn't drink beer.
I don't drink beer.
Champagne in a beer glass. Champagne. What are you doing?
I know.
That's
right?
not fair. So until our next video, until the new year, happy New Year's, April. Happy New Year's to everybody on YouTube. And
April and Steve out.